Most people get this wrong. They think all music distribution and royalty platforms are the same. But the surprising truth is that Sonasuit is built for musicians who want total control over publishing royalties and analytics. Here's my honest take. Sonasuit allows artists to distribute music globally, collect royalties, and monitor revenue from multiple sources in one place. You won't believe what happens next. You can see real-time analytics on streams, downloads, and earnings, which helps you make smarter decisions for your music career. The platform also supports detailed reporting for royalties, making it easier for independent artists and labels to understand how much they are earning from each release and each platform. Integration with digital distributors and licensing platforms simplifies the process even further. On the downside, Sonasuit is geared toward professional musicians and labels. If you're a casual hobbyist, the learning curve can feel steep and some features may not be necessary. Pricing is higher than basic distributors, but the level of control and transparency you gain often justifies the cost. In conclusion, Sonasuit is a strong choice for serious musicians and labels who want to manage their careers efficiently, track royalties accurately, and distribute music globally without relying on multiple platforms. Subscribe for more honest reviews of music tools to help artists make the right decisions.